Hi there, Laura. Thanks for opting in. I like how you said that you're feeling pretty good about yourself with hours to spare. That's awesome. Um, okay, my thoughts about your icon set are you are off to a really strong start. I love the direction you're heading. Your sewing machine is so adorable. Your thread looks really good. I like the ruler. I like the scissors. I do like the button. It's coming through maybe a little bit too light. I'm wondering if you could play around with some colors, maybe this orange again, since it only appears twice. The yellow only appears once, although I don't know if you'd want to have a yellow button. Um, so just look at your color scheme, even just maybe a little bit darker of a gray might be heading in the right direction because I feel like this is the only area where the super light color is appearing. My other thought is the stroke on the dots here. It's a cool idea because it's kind of like thread, but I think the black is overly assertive compared to your other colors on your color scheme. I feel like if you want to go this route, you should go this route with a gray, maybe even a light, as light of a color as this or that. And it does need to be thicker. Following the rule of the strokes, I wouldn't go any thinner than these lines on your ruler. Okay. So that's really the only thing that's making this feel not at the professional level is just this line around the edges. You may play around with having it on, well, no, I don't think that would look good. I was going to say having it on only a few of them, but I think it's better to keep it consistent. Also, I'd probably make your sewing machine a little bigger. See how this icon is so big within your circle. It's probably taking up a solid half of the space and half of the space, but then proportionally the sewing machine is maybe a third of the space. So you want to kind of follow that. If this feels chunky and big, you want this to feel chunky and big too. So make this a little bit bigger. But you are for sure heading in the right direction. These are looking really good. Work on this outer stroke a little bit more still as well, and then just keeping the proportions the same. And if you want, keep on tightening up that color scheme. Maybe try going a little lighter on this background too. I think that might help the icons themselves stand out a little bit more. You still want it vibrant and fun, but maybe just a few degrees lighter. Okay, great start. Looking forward to seeing these once you have your changes made.